Hello everyone. Today in this full guide, I'll show you how to send money from Chime to Bitcoin wallet easily in 2025. Let's dive right in, and make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any key steps. First, you'll need to use a crypto exchange. Since Chime doesn't directly support Bitcoin purchases, choose a platform that accepts Chime deposits. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Paxful. Next, sign up on your selected exchange and complete the identity verification process. This is required under the KYC regulations most platforms follow. Once your account is verified, link your Chime account to the exchange. You can typically transfer funds using ACH, bank transfer, debit card, or services like Cash App, depending on the exchange. After the funds are deposited, head over to the BTC trading section on the exchange. Choose how much Bitcoin you want to buy and confirm the transaction. Once your purchase is complete, it's time to withdraw your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. Find your Bitcoin wallet address. It'll be a long string of letters and numbers. Go to the withdrawal section on your exchange, paste in your wallet address, and confirm. Wait a few minutes to an hour for network confirmations, and your Bitcoin should appear in your wallet.